Oh, catching it! Catching it!
Get the parachute!
It's on fire! It's on fire! Don't touch it! That one was sweet. That was sweet. Look at this. Dude, look at it. It's still on fire.
Leg! No! Don't!
Here. I was going to put it out for you, but whatever.
No, it's fine.
Oh!
Fine!
Oh! 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 Oh!
He found a stick.
Dude, it was stuck in the ground. Dude, it was stuck in the ground. Look at this. Look at it, stuck in the ground.
Oh my god.
Guys, another one!
There was a stick stuck in the ground from one of them. Oh! That's what those do. I wonder what those did. How much? How?
Over the lake!
Dude, I can't believe this landed and stuck in the ground.
Dude! Another one!
Another one bites the dust.
Oh no. Uh-oh, my dad's setting up. It looks like a, what? Parachute one maybe?
Is it a parachute? Nope, it's a mortar. It's a mortar. Ooh! Boom!
No parachute?
Sounded like it was flipping. It was like,
Yeah, it's like a twirler or whatever they call it.
Parachute blew up.
hey Dad.
I like the way you
No, it's no parachute.
another one in here.
Yeah, it blew up. Dad, come on, do the grand finale already.
No!
Get down, get one of those,
Oh,
get one of these.
the grand finale is gonna be the last.
Was that the satellite thing?
Grand finale.
Hey
Sure.
Dad.
Yeah.
That last one, was that the satellite?
No, that was another mortar.
Oh.
I got a couple different kinds.
Told you! Lucy, I know my mortars. I know my mortars. I'm sorry. Yes, I do. Because it's awesome. Because you guys can't say it like that, so it's just awesome. Because you guys are Lucy's. Oh, there's two of them. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's quiet. Dad?
Oh. Oh, that was literally only 20 feet off the ground. No, I'm joking. Oh,
Look at this. Look at the orange. Look at the sparks.
Pretty. Purple.
blow them over there.
That's not a parachute, is it?
Is it? No. Is that a parachute, Dad?
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
It actually is. Mom, is that a parachute?
What?
There's a parachute over here. Yeah, I think it is, yeah. Oh, boy. Oh! Oh. Dude, did you see the stick? It like went in the it went in the water.
A snake?
Stick.
Where's the parachute at?
Oh, there it is. I see it.
Get it.
Ah, it's hot. It's warm.
Wait, where are the
Oh, artillery shells.
Come on,
No.
Artillery shells.
Mom, is that a parachute? No.
Dude, what I want to do is walk up there and put my camera down like this, and when they launch up, you see them launch up, boom. I saw that on YouTube the other day. He's like, oh, this would be way better. He puts it down, just do, 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 do. It was so sweet.
Hey, there's another lantern.
Yep.
Over there, see that? That's floating?
Way over there. I probably want, maybe you see it. No, I don't think you can. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that was close. That was close. Oh, 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 oh. Dude, that was close. Look at all the ash. Oh, what is this?
It's not a hug.
What now? Oh.
Oh, do we step away from there?
There's a couple on fire over here.
That's all right, I'll get it.
All right. There's a big one right there. It blew them all away. Dude, it blew them all away. Dude, if it was still light, a little bit light out, dude. Dude, if it was still a little bit light out, it'd be so much perfect. So you could see everything that's going on. Oh!
Oh, God. Holy
Oh, that was sweet.
Come on, still no parachute?
Is there another one? Nope. Ouch. I'm seriously sitting on the ground over here. Come over here. Jerk.
I'm coming over here. It's not wet. I don't really care. Woo! Look at that thing. Pop.
There's only one?
Yeah. Are you filming it?
Yeah, I'm filming it. You can't see nothing though because it's too dark out.
Yeah. But you can see the lights.
Yeah. Look at there's 3 of them over there now.
Yeah. Go. Can you
Yeah, you
see
can
them?
kind of see them a little bit that way, I guess. I don't know.
My dad's gonna be sitting off one.
Look at the moon. It's the best firework of all. Hey, dude, the moon's the best firework of all because it's always up there. Yeah, give it to the moon. It's the best firework up there, man. It stays up there forever.
That's a star.
Every night, man. Every night. It's a firework. It's a firework. It's not really a star because it's not on fire.
Come on, what's my dad?
It's considered a star, but not really. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, down there. Wait, I think.
We can't see it over there. My camera's not good
Film
enough.
it. Film it.
Oh! These things are so loud.
Oh, come on. Where's the parachute one?
Yeah, is there any more parachutes?
Couple.
Then put up a parachute one.
That's sweet. I want to get one of those parachutes.
I know.
That's pretty sweet.
Parachute. Oh, over there, dude. They're shooting them off. Come on. Film
I
it.
can't see that way over there.
Some maybe. We'll see how late it gets. And
Do the grand finale, though, at the end.
Well, yeah.
And you gotta film that grand finale.
Hey, it's a flare. They might need some help over there.
Oh, it's a flare. Hurry, film the flare.
Oh, yeah, it is a
Hurry,
flare.
film it.
There it is way over
What,
there. It's
does it
red,
blow
but
up?
it's red on this
Does it
screen.
blow up?
No, it doesn't look like it. I think it's just a flare.
Oh, my dad's about to set off on the parachute.
Yeah, so it's red on this. It looks like a flare. So we might need help.
And you film
But who cares?
If it's a parachute.
We got betters. We got better flares.
Aww.
It's a fountain. It's a fountain. It's a fountain. Yeah.
How do you film it? Do you like?
Press the recording button.
No, I mean like, is there some way how you can, you know?
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, firework! Come on, come on.
That was sweet.
There's
That's
gotta be
sweet.
a parachute.
That was
It's
sweet.
bright though. There's no parachute.
Nope.
Do a parachute one.
New parachutes. New parachutes.
Oh,
There's
here's one. Don't know what it is.
It's a mortar. Or whatever that thing is. Oh, I thought that was a fire because of my soul. Oh, these things. Oh, sweet. What are they supposed to do?
Parachute. Mom, is this a parachute?
The one in my hand is
Okay.
artillery.
Oh, artillery. Did you hear that? Artillery.
Oh my dude, you got a mosquito bite. There's a parachute.
Get it, man.
Where? This one.
No, it's not. The one in her hand.
Mom
Ah, it's in my eye.
Mom said, okay, I gotta catch this parachute. You keep filming.
It might be artillery, so stay back.
Back off, Austin.
Back up, close.
Oh!
It's a parachute.
Oh!
I think it's, Mom, where's the parachute?
That isn't one.
Oh, so this is one.
The next one is.
I think that's when they fly down. Mom, why are you doing this?
At the Grand Finale.
All right, here goes the parachute.
All right, get ready.
Parachute off.
Dude, there it is. Where is it? There it is. I found it. I see it.
Oh, crap.
Oh, there it is. It's going in the water.
Like,
It's in the water.
can I grab it? No. It's in the water.
It's all right.
I could go in.
It's a parachute. Really? Really?
Yeah, I want to.
You have like 4 of them.
Oh, the grand finale, come on. Okay.
Oh, is it the grand finale?
Yep, you have got to film this.
The next one in her hand, I
back
think.
Back up, boy.
Can't believe it's been 23 minutes.
Off the grand finale.
What about these ones?
We're gonna
we're
save
gonna
those
save
for
them
my
Oh,
parents
all right.
for the 4th. We're gonna light off the grand finale.
Okay, so you hear that? Grand finale.
Then,
Please subscribe to PSF Clan 4. Like as always. And thank you for watching. In these next probably 6 minutes, we'll be on. There we go. Hopefully my have enough recording.
come on, you might want to come. Austin, get back.
Get back, Austin.
Austin.
Get over
I'm
here.
not lighting off the missile.
Austin.
Go back.
We get it. Oh, crap. Here we go.
Gotta stand back and
You
get
want
me
to
all
sit
that.
down.
Oh, here we go.
Now.
Look at the sky,
Get
everybody. Look
Ready.
at the sky. Look at the sky.
For 3 minutes.
Oh! That's so sweet! Oh my god! Oh, dude, that is a beast! Oh my god, it's probably like 60
No,
bucks.
there's more thing, I think.
I guess that's it. I thought it was supposed to last. The guy's supposed to last 3 minutes. That would
Looks
have
like there's still a flame on there. Yeah, there might be another wick. Look.
No, there's no other wick. That's just the embers where the box is lit. You sure?
Did you? Okay.
Yeah.
That was pretty sweet though.
That was like 40 seconds.
Oh!
Oh, you missed it.
I got it. How did it lit off all those? There's no way it only lit off like 6.
We're all done.
Yeah, they all blue.
Oh, wow, that was
Yeah.
That was sweet. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe to PSF Clan 4 and like. Thanks. Bye.